On May 15, 2024, the Republic of Côte d'Ivoire achieved a significant milestone by depositing the instrument of ratification for the AMA Treaty. This development marks another significant achievement for the continent, reinforcing an agency that is dedicated to advancing harmonization, the regulation of health products and technologies within the region. Ultimately, this strengthens the foundations for success in the sector. What is the African Medicines Agency? The AMA, as a specialized agency of the African Union, is dedicated to bolstering the regulatory capacities of its member nations. Through this strengthened capacity, the AMA endeavors to improve access to safe, high-quality, and effective medicines across the continent. The agency is now gaining momentum. In a significant move last year, the African Union designated Kigali, Rwanda as the headquarters for the agency. This year, several key appointments have been made, expected to drive the operations of the AMA. The inaugural Continental Heads of Medicines Registration and Marketing Authorization Forum has been established by the AU. Dr. Kariuki Gashoki from the Kenya Pharmacy and Poisons Board has been appointed as the chair, with Dr. Chantel Nofionso from Benin as vice chairperson. Senegal's Mbanik Diouf, Nazalia Mosuele from Mozambique, and Bathusi Goxiele from Botswana will fulfill roles as rapporteurs. So why African Medicines Agency? It is expected that the AMA will play a crucial role in Africa's pharmaceutical sector. AMA will support the advancement of local pharmaceutical production, aligning with a key objective of the Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Plan for Africa. Additionally, it will play a role in fostering trade in alignment with the African Continental Free Trade Area. AMA will assess medical products for treating priority diseases as designated by the African Union. It will also undertake routine inspections, coordination, and dissemination of information regarding authorized marketing products. AMA will coordinate collaborative assessments of clinical trial applications for vaccines and evaluations of high complex product portfolios like biosimilars. Furthermore, it will organize collective inspections of APIs manufacturing facilities. In collaboration with regional economic communities and national medicines regulatory authorities, AMA will aid in identifying substandard and falsified medical products and facilitating cross-border information exchange. AMA will also be responsible for harmonizing legislation by establishing common standards and regulations. How many countries have ratified so far? With Côte d'Ivoire being the latest to join, a total of 29 out of 55 AU countries have now ratified the AMA Treaty. It is anticipated that more nations will follow suit, considering that over 5 countries have signed but are yet to ratify the agreement. Support from outside the continent. Earlier this year, the European Medicines Agency was awarded a grant of 10 million euros by the European Commission to bolster regulatory systems at both national and regional levels in Africa. This funding is specifically designated to assist in the establishment of the African Medicines Agency in cooperation with African, European, and international stakeholders. Conclusion. The momentum of the AMA initiative is steadily increasing, with an increasing number of AU countries participating. This development is particularly encouraging in a continent dominated by fragmented and generally weak regulatory frameworks. This agency is anticipated to streamline these systems, thereby improving the safety, quality, and efficacy of medical products across the continent. Which country will be next to support this cause? We'll have to wait and see.